What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, IBlason was kind enough to send me out a case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the ShyMag Mountain. So we're just gonna unbox this and take a look at it, see what it looks like. So this is a two-part case, as you can see there. It has one of those camera covers on the back so you can protect your camera, and it'll also double as a kickstand. You get your MaxSafe, you get a button for your action button. You open it up like so. See here, these are up like so, and you do get a plastic screen protector in the inside. So pretty much you just want to pick up your iPhone 15 Pro Max, throw that boy in like so. I'm not a fan of the pre-installed screen protectors because they just don't look as good and feel as good as putting a glass one on yourself. But then you would place the back on like so. You just want to make sure everything lines up perfectly. And once you get it all together, this is the look you're going to get right here. This is what it'll look like if you had this case on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. There's your MaxSafe ring. There's your camera cover that also doubles as your kickstand for watching videos or whatever, or you can probably do something like this for some typing or whatever, or reading. But you do get a nice button for your power button, nice and clicky, as you can see. It's right there. It says I Blason right there. Down here you do get access to your speakers and your USB-C charging port, which should be good to use, no problem. It goes in just like that, as you can see. Then over here you get your button for action button. I actually like that, and then it has a hint of red in the inside. You also get your volume up and down button, which are nice and clicky. And on the back here, you don't have to worry about the camera being scratched because you have that camera lens. And then you get your MagSafe capability. So now let's test out the MagSafe, which is going to work perfectly because this is what that case is. So pretty much it charges just like that with MagSafe. But if you do not have a MagSafe charger, don't worry, you can still charge it wirelessly. Let's see here. You're supposed to be able to still charge this wirelessly. I don't know if it's picking up because of the camera. It may be a problem because of that camera bump, but even if you do not have a regular wireless charger, you can still always plug into your cable and you'll be good to go. I'll make sure I'll drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.